Hi, welcome to Snappy Blink. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the Halloween preset in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some example photos before and after using this preset. Let's get started. Adjust the contrast to 9. Highlights to -51. Adjust shadows to 50. Whites to 20 and blacks to 27. Then slightly adjust the curves like this. Now go to color. Okay, now adjust the temperature to 11. Tint 10. Vibrance 40. Finally, saturation to -22. Then let's adjust the colors. Red, decrease the hue by -10. Decrease the saturation to 17. Orange, decrease the hue to -25. Increase the saturation by 42. Increase the luminance to 14. Yellow, decrease the hue by -75. Increase the saturation to 9. Decrease the luminance to -7. Green, increase the hue by 93. Decrease the saturation to -26. Decrease the luminance to -70. Cyan, decrease the hue to -40. Decrease the saturation by -10. Blue, decrease the hue by -30. Decrease the saturation to -31. Adjust the shadows by making hue 84, saturation 18. Go to Effects, now adjust the texture 38. Clarity 20. Divas 5. Vignette -4. Noise reduction 15. And color noise reduction 15. Okay, done. Now you can clearly see the difference of before and after of this photo. Now let's copy these settings and try out on more photos.